In this video, you will create your first 3D transformation. So there are a lot of functions that you can use with 3D transforms. And in this video, we will see how to rotate an element in 3D space. So we will define a 3D rotation along the x-axis using the rotate x function. And the first thing you need to do is to activate the 3D world by defining a perspective. Otherwise, your element will still appear flat. Perspective is essentially the distance from the viewer to the object. So let's go to this container and add a perspective to it. So here I will type in 800 pixels. So you may be saying to yourself, how did he know which value to use? The answer is I didn't. When defining CSS 3D transforms, you may come back to this property and change it until you find the right one that suits you and create the perfect illusion of depth for your transformation. And now that our 3D space is activated, let's go to the transform property and try to define a rotation along the x-axis. So let's type in rotate x 30 degrees within this declaration block. And now when we hover over this element, we have a 3D transformation. But we can't see it transitioning. That's because we are not using the transition property to add a smooth transition. So let's create a basic transition here. So let's see it again and again. Great, you just created your first 3D transformation.